So today we're working on a box for a 2001 Silverado. We're gonna have to put a plate down here, cut that out, weld the chunk in, and see where that's all around the bolt. And up here, I ground off. It seems totally fine, but these like to rot right about here in a couple of spots. So even though it looks really good up there, you can see how that's all wavy and kind of rotten in a few spots. So the underlip has to be replaced. So we should at least go up this high. We're staying out of here. This box is in pretty good shape. This is what we're going to do. And that'll take care of that. This was a this was a leftover piece off that F350. So when we cut out what we needed on the F350, there was a bunch of material up top. So we made that. There's a few places where the lip is solid underneath. That's where those holes are. We skipped a couple spots. But it seems like the inner's okay, so we'll do a cut and butt. There's a dent here. I'll weld a few tabs. Give me something to pull. Massage that out. Don't know why, but that was crappy before. Something must have gave it a rub. There was some filler in there. So that got rusty, so we're going to fix that. I just have it sitting on a trailer. A little bit of surface down there. Nice around the gas cap, a little rust right there. We'll treat that and clean that up. So on the driver's side, this was the worst spot. It was all kind of chewed up, about 1/2 inch up into here. So I made a piece just like the other side. And we ran our grinder through both pieces. And just kept going and did a cut and butt. It's reasonably close. I could grind a little more off, but a bit of fill never hurt nobody. Here she's a little bit, my patch went under. So I could recut this and pull it out. But yeah, it's not very much. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to sandblast that out just so there's some bite there. I'm going to run a thin layer fiber-filled filler. Kitty hair, the short hair, whatever it is, short strand, short hair. We're going to put some of that on there first, real thin coat. There doesn't seem to be any holes in the welds except right here. So just in case, we're going to run a nice, there's a low spot there too, so I'm going to start over here. I'm going to run a nice solid bead right across here. But yeah, so we did the cut and butt. And that worked out pretty nice. There's a spot like on the front of the other side right here. When it's black like that, like you can treat a little bit of surface rust. Like I can treat that and that'll probably be all right. But this is toast. So we're going to have to cut that out, put a patch there. There's like a bracing behind that, which is probably full of junk or something. Who knows? But either way, we're going to replace that. It's an easy patch. The other thing we got to do, this side, I haven't cleaned this one up yet, but it feels thin to me, so I'm just going to make a new bottom and come up from here down. I'll just, anyway, that'll be easy. I've already got a piece that I think will fit right on there, so we'll just cut it to size and weld that in too. But yeah, that's what I do with a Saturday. Cheers.